Yeah, we've got a Hawaiian style house, plenty of rubber slippers, and we got the cat. Say hi, Ozzy. Ozzy, say hi. No, he's being a cat, deliberately ignoring me. How's it, everyone? Yep, you can tell we live in Las Vegas. 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already 90 degrees, but that's summer for you. Yesterday was a little cooler, and I realized that yesterday was roughly the 4-year anniversary of buying my DJI mini drone and pick it out for a spin over at Amargosa. And I did a video on that a few years ago during COVID in October, so the sun angles are going to be different in today's video versus then. And one thing about 4-year-old drones is 4-year-old drone batteries don't last as long as they used to, and you're going to see towards the end of the video where the drone almost made it back to the car before having to be forced to land early. And fortunately, even though the motors weren't running, the drone was still transmitting, so I was able to locate it and recover it. And after that, I was debating if I wanted to get a new drone or just buy some new batteries. I think I'm going to settle for the latter, it's cheaper. But anyway, you can enjoy our adventure in Amargosa again. And one thing I noticed that I didn't see in the previous video was since it was a little windier, another reason why the drone landed earlier than expected was it was fighting a headwind. But at the same time, there's a lot of blowing sand around the dunes, which is really nice to watch from above. So take a moment to watch, enjoy, leave some comments, and mahalo, everyone.